Plane blind fighters. 399.8. The recovery rates are confirmed by the predictive system. The analysis confirms the drainage meets the traceable standards. Plane blind fighters. 399.8. Comprehensive testing procedures.
Comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous subsidence monitoring measurement surveys.
The real-time data confirms stability and adherence to all traceable standards.
The stress points on the digital twin are stabilizing. Check the localized readings.
Confirm. The instrumentation shows green.
We are conducting rigorous dust concentration measurement testing, utilizing certified instrumentation and validated methods. Comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous water quality monitoring analysis.
399.78. Comprehensive testing procedure, conducting rigorous ventilation airflow measurement testing, utilizing continuous.
The ground stability assessment is complete. All procedures followed.
Meticulously document.
Comprehensive testing procedures. Testing rigorous
The real-time ore grade monitoring is showing exceptional performance on 399.75. The data optimization platform is showing exceptional performance on 399.74.
Confirmed.
We've meticulously implemented seismic activity monitoring arrays. Control systems integration phase, meticulously implementing dust suppression control systems.
Meticulously implementing environmental monitoring stations, documenting sophisticated sustainable extraction.
Acknowledged. Control. The system isolated the anomaly using predictive analytics.
399.7.
As you can see, the automated alert resolved the instability immediately.
Yes, operational stability is guaranteed.
Integration phase is complete. We have comprehensive real-time monitoring.
Advanced analytics confirm stability and full compliance internationally.
Analytics show we've reached optimal stability across Sector 7.
Look, Unit 63 is showing a pressure spike.
Override engaged. The system is compensating.
Control systems integration phase, meticulously implementing underground positioning systems, revealing sophisticated integrated safety management with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities. Sophisticated advanced quality systems with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities, automated alert management.
The bearing temperature on Mill 3 is holding steady at 55 degrees Celsius.
Predictive analysis confirms optimal performance.
Quality check complete. Batch 399.57 meets international standards.
Acknowledge.
Approaching deposition site. Preparing for automated sequence.
Acknowledged. Shuttle 1. Initiating backfill protocol. Flow rate is optimal.
The data analytics show we are maintaining exceptional precision and consistency throughout the dewatering sequence. Our extensively trained personnel utilize sophisticated systems for chemical leaching, ensuring precision and consistency.
Sequence 399.48 initiated. Magnetic flux levels stable at 95%.
Acknowledged. Consistency is within stringent.
The 399.45 sequence is stable.
And the particle size analysis confirms the
Operational sequence 399.46 is stable.
flotation levels are optimal. The advanced quality system is performing as a Warning, blast sequence commencing. Implementing environmental ensures exceptional operational safety and consistent product quality throughout.
We are initiating the primary hoisting sequence now. Confirm all systems are nominal.
Reading nominal. Precision levels are holding steady at 399.
Control, this is Excavator Alpha. Load complete, moving to position 2.
Roger that, Alpha. Hauler 7 is approaching the drop zone.
The density levels are stable at 0.35.
Confirmed. Backfill rate is consistent with the required specifications. This spike in the distribution graph is slightly concerning.
We're exceeding the limit.
Sequence 399.31 initiated. Tapping in progress.
Confirmed. Shuttle car position is locked.
The sensor readings confirm optimal saturation levels.
Yes, the consistency is well within parameters.
Primary operational sequence showing extensively trained East Asian male personnel and sophisticated systems executing grinding ore to fine particles utilizing 400-ton haul trucks.
Implementing real-time data analytics, supporting technological innovation, and advancing industrial capabilities globally.
Executing controlled blasting detonation utilizing grinding ball mills. Implementing digital monitoring systems enabling reliable industrial solutions.
All safety protocols confirmed. We are clear for the lift.
Roger that.
Maintaining precise ascent. Angle steady. Torque reading confirmed at 350 Newton meters, within tolerance.
Statistical control limits met.
Continuous process optimization complete. Operational readiness achieved. Full-scale operations commencing.
Ensure the calibration is logged against the specification sheet.
Calipers are verified. Lockout tag is secured on the valve.
Perfect. We are cleared for sign-off.
The specs require a perfect seal at this joint. Use the laser scan to confirm the tolerance.
Scan complete. Parameter.
Precision protocols are fully implemented. Confirm final readiness, technician.
All systems nominal. Ready for full-scale operation.
Status check on hydraulic systems.
All green. Maximum tolerance achieved.
Acknowledged. We are clear for deployment.
The real-time data confirms all tolerances are within spec. Good.
We need to maintain this condition-based monitoring schedule through Q4.
The resource flow projection aligns with the environmental requirements here.
And the safety specifications are fully integrated.
The sensor readings confirm we are well within the regulatory limits for water quality.
And the biodiversity.
Look at the real-time data on the performance targets here.
And the safety specifications are fully aligned with the environmental requirements.
The real-time sensor data confirms structural integrity at level 4.
Yes, and the environmental parameters are well within compliance for the next phase.
The safety specifications are optimized across all critical parameters.
Agreed. This framework ensures reliable operation for the next decade.
The safety specifications are clear. We must integrate this into the development planning phases.
Absolutely. Sustainable resource management is key to mitigating environmental risk.
From the grueling labor of the past to the dawn of mechanization, our industry has continuously evolved.
The operational parameters show superior standards here.
Yes, and the environmental impact remains minimal according to the quality control metrics.